What are the legal considerations for starting a medical marijuana dispensary in Oklahoma? I am medical marijuana attorney or business attorney Ope Adibui. And if you're interested in starting a medical marijuana dispensary in Oklahoma, there are several legal considerations you should be aware of. Here's what you need to know. Number one is licensing. All medical marijuana dispensaries in Oklahoma must be licensed by the Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Authority, or OMMA. The application process can be lengthy and requires detailed information about the dispensaries and the owners. So that includes the background check, your proof of identity, proof of residency, your certificate of good standing if it's an LLC, your certificate of compliance. So the second thing will be zoning. Medical marijuana dispensaries in Oklahoma must comply with local zoning regulations. This may include restrictions on where the dispensary can be located, such as a minimum distance from schools, parks, churches, stuff like that. And also required zoning rules. So for example, some states or some cities or counties would require that you only be zoned in an industrial area, or some might require a commercial area. So it just depends on what your local county, your county or city states. The third thing would be security. Medical marijuana dispensaries in Oklahoma are required to have security measures in place, including surveillance cameras, alarm systems, and strict inventory controls. So that means, having your door locked all the time, having only limited access to that for employees. If you fired someone, changing the code to get in and stuff like that. Then the fourth thing will be packaging and labeling. Medical marijuana products in Oklahoma must be sold in child-resistant packaging and labeled with the detailed information about the product, including the THC and CBD content. The packaging must also include a warning label and information about the product's potential effects. The fifth thing would be taxes. Medical marijuana dispensaries in Oklahoma are subject to state and local taxes. This includes a 7% excise tax on all medical marijuana sales, as well as sales tax and income taxes. So this, goes back to your OKTAP account. You have to make sure you have an OKTAP and you're entering your monthly sales on there. The sixth thing would be compliance. Medical marijuana dispensaries in Oklahoma are subject to numerous regulations governing their operation, including testing requirements, advertising restrictions, and employee background checks. It's important for dispensaries to comply with all applicable regulations to avoid fines, license revocations, and other legal penalties. So, for more information about this, you can contact me at Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Attorney. Thank you.